Huawei's Honor brand today launched the Honor 9 Lite smartphone in India, soon after the launch of Honor 7X. This has dual front and rear cameras similar to the Honor 9i, but it has a smaller 5.65-inch full-screen display. Check out the unboxing below. Box contents: Honor 9 Lite in midnight black color, 2-pin charger, 5V2A, micro USB cable, SIM ejector tool, quick start guide, warranty information. It has a 5.65-inch Full HD plus 18:9 2.5D curved glass display with 428 ppi pixel density, which is slightly better than 407 ppi on the Honor 7X and Honor 9i. Powered by octa-core Kirin 659 SoC, similar to most other mid-range Honor smartphones, comes with 3GB or 4GB RAM with 32GB of 64GB storage depending on the model, and it runs on Android 8.0 Oreo, with EMUI 8.0. The display is good and is compact since it is housed in a 5.2-inch body. It has a 13-megapixel front camera along with a 2-megapixel secondary camera to capture depth information for selfie portraits. On the back there is a 13-megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture, LED flash, PFAF, along with a secondary 2-megapixel camera for portrait shots. It also has wide aperture mode that lets you focus after clicking the photo. There is a fingerprint sensor below the cameras to unlock the phone in 0.25 seconds. It has a 2.5D glass back with nano-etched design that offers a mirror-like effect. The company has that it has PPVD, patterned physical vapor deposition.